Student, welcome to Sofa English High School once more. In this video we will solve the second question of the poem. In previous we had completed the first web diagram, and in this video we will complete the second question of the poem. Match the word in column A with B. So boys and girls, first we should understand this poem is totally metaphorical. Metaphor. We all know that in general English topic we had completed our concept of metaphor and simile. So boys and girls, I hope do you understand what is metaphor. Whenever we are calling someone with another name, it is called metaphor. So in this video you will also learn about metaphor, because this poem is depend upon metaphorical. So let us start. Solve the question. The first column, pilgrim. In this poem, the pilgrim is called a dutiful man. F. Okay. Pilgrim. We all know that the pilgrim. A pilgrim is a dutiful man is called in this poem. And journey. We all know that the journey is our life. So the second answer of C. Because in this sentence the journey is compared with life. And the third, evening or close of the day. Evening means the end of the day, and the end of our life is old age. E. Here the answer is E. Okay, I hope are you understanding it? Yes. Let's see further. Chasm, deep and wide. Chasm, deep and wide. This is our problem. This is a trap. Whenever we are facing some problem, we will say that it is a threat of life. Chasm, deep and wide. It is threat to life. It is a problem of life. Okay. Chasm, deep and wide are threat of life are mentioned in this poem. Building a bridge. Whenever you are facing some problem, what we will do there? Then we will solving it, na. So in this column we will join it. Building a bridge means solving problem. G. Pitfall. Pitfall means a trap. Trap which take lesson, which take examination in our life. It is called trap. Pitfall. Pitfall means trap. B. And close of the day. Close of the day. When our life is over, what we will see, what will say that situation? Life is over means death. So the seventh answer, death, means D. I hope do you understand, boys and girls, this question, how I solve it. We all know that metaphor is called to one person by another person with directly. So in this poem the poet compare the pilgrim, journey, evening and chasm, deep, building and pitfall and close of the day with this name. Okay, which I join their meaning. A and B, both column will be given in examination. You have to choose what is correct and get good mark. Okay, boys and girls, if you understand it, if you have any problem, inshallah in next video I will solve your problem. Yet then, Assalamu alaikum.